Now, a couple hours ago, these were all up here nice and pretty, and apparently somebody doesn't like the truth. What they also are telling me is that they want more of these posters put up. So, in about 5 minutes, I'm going to slap up a different series of posters, but as many posters as I can put up, just for those folks who want more. Censorship works well, doesn't it? So, here's my response to you flying censor monkeys. You folks can go pound salt. You got lots of work to do. More coming too. Trust me, lots more coming. Danny Boy out.